Welcome to the future of videography. Introducing the Trexo wheels, the world's first image processing tabletop dolly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring content creator, this game-changing device is set to revolutionize your filming experience. Imagine capturing stunning cinematic shots effortlessly. With Trexo wheels, smooth and dynamic footage is just a push away. Its innovative design and advanced image processing technology ensure every shot is picture-perfect. Versatility is at the heart of Trexo wheels. From product reviews to culinary adventures, from stop-motion animations to tech demos, the possibilities are endless. Its compact size makes it perfect for any tabletop setup, giving you the freedom to shoot anywhere, anytime. What sets Trexo wheels apart is its cutting-edge image processing capability. It automatically adjusts to provide the best angle and lighting, ensuring professional quality results without the need for a bulky setup. Simplicity meets sophistication with Trexo wheels' intuitive control interface. Adjust speed, direction, and even pre-program complex movements with just a few taps. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on your creativity. Trexo wheels isn't just powerful, it's smart. Its adaptive wheels and advanced sensors allow it to glide over any surface, overcoming obstacles with ease. Whether it's a bumpy tabletop or a sleek glass surface, Trexo wheels delivers consistent, high-quality performance. Ready to take your videography to the next level? Join the revolution with Trexo wheels, the world's first image processing tabletop dolly. Get yours today and start creating like never before. Click the link below to learn more and purchase your Trexo wheels now.